Students, now we are going to discuss the velocities of molecules. Average velocity, mean square velocity, root mean square velocity, most probable velocities. Most probable velocities. Here, the similar word of velocity is speed. Speed and velocities are similar physical quantities in physics. So this is also average speed, mean square speed, root mean square speed, most probable speed. Most probable speed. So according to kinetic theory of gases, vessel or container consists gas. That gas consists number of molecules. This gas consists number of molecules. In this vessel, let us consider in this vessel first molecule, second molecule, third molecule, fourth molecule, fifth molecule. So due to kinetic theory of gases, these two molecules collide with each other. So kinetic theory of gases, every molecule or every atom or every particle, the size is approximately 1 angstrom. 1 angstrom, that means 10 to the power of minus 10 meter. So here mass of molecules or mass of particles or mass of atoms, that means size or radius is same. So, and also due to kinetic theory of gases, every molecule has some different velocities. That different velocities, here v1 velocity, here v2 velocity, here v3 velocity, here v4 velocity, and so on, vn velocities. Due to kinetic theory of gases, these molecules are moving randomly with thermal energy due to temperature. So every molecule moving with some energy. So here kinetic theory, the energy is kinetic energy. So here every molecule has kinetic energies, and also the total gas has some kinetic energy. Here that kinetic energy of gas is of mc square. This is the kinetic energy of gas, and also overall of mv square. Here c is the velocity, v is the velocity. C and v are same physical quantities. So this is equals to the average kinetic energy of total molecules. So here the kinetic energy of first molecule of mv1 square, second kinetic energy of second molecule of mv2 square, and so on, of mv3 square, of mvn square, and so on. So this is the sum of kinetic energy. The average means upon n divided by n. So the kinetic energy of gas is equals to the average of the total kinetic energies of molecules. Kinetic energies of molecules. So this equation can be written as of m v1 square plus of m v2 square of m v3 square and so on upon n. This equation can be written as so here is 1 upon n and also of is common, m is common, remaining v1 square, v2 square, v3 square and so on v1 square. This is the average kinetic energy of total molecules. This equation equals to the total kinetic energy of gas of mc square or of mv square. Okay, in this position here off is cancelled, here off is cancelled, here m is cancelled, here m is cancelled. Or so that equation can be written as c square or v square equals to 1 upon n v1 square plus v2 square plus v3 square and so on. So this equation can be written as c or v square, here square is cancelled, next that under root, so under root 1 upon n v1 square, v2 square, v3 square. So this is the root, this is the mean square, this is the root, this is the mean 1 upon n, number of particles, here n is number of particles, this is the root, this is the mean, this is the square, so here c or v is called as root mean square velocity, root mean square velocity, so can be written as c root mean square velocity, RMS velocity. This is the RMS velocity is can be written as 1 upon n v1 square, v2 square, v3 square and so on. This is the RMS velocity, root mean square velocity. So average velocity is the velocities of all particles divided by number of particles is small n, the number of individual v1 plus v2 and v3 and so on vn. So this is the average velocity. This is the average velocity. Average velocity is the total velocities upon n number of velocities. This is the average velocities. So second one, mean square velocities. Mean square velocities. Mean square velocity. Mean square velocity is defined as mean is the mean and also average. Mean is the upon n. The mean of algebraic sum of square of velocities. Square of velocities. This is the mean square velocity. Next one, already we discussed root mean square velocity. Root mean square velocity. Root mean square velocity. Root mean square velocity means root mean n square velocities v1 square plus v2 square plus v3 square and so on vn square. So this is the root mean square velocity. Root mean square velocity is the algebraic sum of squares of velocities of molecules is called as root mean square velocity. It is denoted RMS velocity. It is denoted RMS velocity. RMS velocity. Next one, most probable velocity. Most probable velocity is also velocity. Most probable velocity is also velocity. Is the velocity possessed by maximum number of molecules in a gas sample. So most probable velocity is the velocity possessed by maximum number of molecules in a gas sample. That is the most probable velocity.